Hello everyone and welcome back to IGNOU Mentor. In today's video we are going to talk about one of the most important components of the Masters of Arts in Economics. Masters of Art in Economics program at Indira Gandhi National Open University, and this video will gonna be about the project work MECP-201. So in this video I will walk you through the objectives of MECP-201 project, the process of project selection, approval, and the guidelines for report writing, some useful tips to make your project impactful and effective for its EG submission. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap of completing your project successfully and scoring well in this vital part of MA Economics program. So, I will directly take you to the project guideline of MECP 201. First of all, you have to select a particular topic for your project, and you can select as per the themes available for Masters of Art in Economics. Okay, so when you check out the guideline, if you want to download the guideline, you can search MECP 201 on your browser and you will get the eGyan course link, this particular link, this particular website. You can click on that and you will get this guideline. So basically you have to choose your project topic, and once you select your topic you have to choose you have to make your proposal, right? So as far as the project topic is concerned, you can search the project topic online, writing MECP 201 project topics. You will get several websites where you can check out the topics and choose the topics as per your need. Now, once you select your topic, you have to understand how to make the proposal first. Okay, so this is in the guideline on page number 6. You can see it's talking about project proposal. So what are the basic contents that your project proposal of MECP 201 must have? Okay, so first one is the title of the proposed product, means what topic you have chosen. You have to write on the top. You have to write the statement of the problem, objective, research questions, the kind of data information to be used, the primary data or secondary data. You have to write that, research methodology, you have to write, and expected outcomes. So these are the things that your proposal must include, right? You can read this guideline in brief for brief understanding. However, this is enough to understand that this thing has to be included in your proposal. Second thing is project supervision. You must have supervisor who have to supervise your project proposal first. Once you get the approval, then only you can proceed for the project work. So these are like you can see this. You should prepare project proposal with the help of your supervisor, academic counselor. So you can see the qualification. This is the process how you can choose your supervisor, and there are particular qualification of the supervisor. That supervisor must have a particular qualification to supervise your project, so you can read it here. Now this is the process how after getting your proposal checked with your supervisor, you can send it to IGNOU, right? Now next thing is you can check out this particular thing, 2.1 formulation of the project proposal. Here is the process all defined here. Identify the theme of the project and formulation of the problems. Now you can see here there are so many themes, so many topics mentioned here, which you can choose for your project work, like economic impact of air pollution in metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, economic implication of water scarcity in your city, and etc. There are so many themes given. You can choose one of them to start your project work, right? So these are the things that your proposal must have: objective, research question, hypothesis. If there are any hypotheses, you have to mention that. Then research methodology. Research methodology must have the research design, and samples. After that, data collection method. After that, data analysis tools. That these things have to be mentioned, and at last you have to mention the expected outcomes. Okay, let's talk about the project. Once you get the approval for your synopsis or project proposal which you have made, you have to proceed for your project work, right? So the most important thing about the project work is like writing the project. Okay, so the way you have written the synopsis, in the same way you have to write your project work as well. In the main body of the project would be data analysis and interpretation, right? And you have to write your review of literature in brief. Okay, so first you have to write the introduction part. Okay, here it is talking like divide your report is about 4 to 5 chapters. Each chapter may be subdivided into sections, right? So the first chapter must be introduction part. In introduction you can put your aims or objectives, significance, and other things as well. After that, your project work to some extent depends on the strength of your methodology. Therefore, methodology should be stated in a clear manner. So it's talking about the methodology. Methodology has to be very precise and clear so that your project can be approved easily. After that, you have to write the review of related literatures briefly. Okay, and in this way you have to do data analysis as per the project work, as per the research methodology, and at last you have to write findings, conclusion, and recommendations, and also you have to include reference bibliography and annexures if you have used any tools or annexures. So this is the particular way of writing the project, okay, project work and synopsis. You may refer this particular guideline for brief overview, okay. And if you have any confusion regarding Masters of Arts in Economics project, which is MECP 201, I will gonna definitely help you. I would request you, if you have any problem, you can write in the comment. I will definitely answer of that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I promise that I will come with a wonderful video with a different topic. Thank you very much. Have a great day.